This video is for all of my friends out there that feel like they don't like makeup, whether it be because you don't like the feeling of makeup on your skin. Maybe you aren't skilled with makeup. Or maybe you have sensitive skin that is prone to clogging. Or oily skin that likes to eat makeup. Or dry skin that turns into a flaky pastry when you wear makeup. Or you're really busy and need a simple makeup routine. Or maybe you have children who like to steal your lipstick and turn themselves into the Joker when you aren't looking, so you're forced to do your makeup routine in the closet and hope that they won't find you. Also me. This video was made for you. And the makeup that we are talking about today is from Merit Beauty. They were kind enough to send me some of their products to test drive, and they check all of my makeup boxes to infinity and beyond. My microphone is on my chest today. I wonder if this is gonna sound like an ASMR video where you can hear the of my voice and the of my water. I hope so. Merit Beauty is a new cruelty-free vegan makeup line that is actually good for your skin. What? It's available in Canada and the United States. There are no duties. No duties. This makeup is free of 1,400 potentially harmful ingredients. 1,400. Right now, like, I'm forgetting that I'm wearing makeup. It's light, it's fresh. It's not obvious that I have anything on my face, and it's not even obvious to me that I have anything on my face. That sounds like something that you would like, and you keep watching. Today I use Merit Beauty's Correcting Balm. Wait, that's not what it's called. But that sounds like a pretty good name for something. Let's try this again. Today I use the Perfecting Complexion Stick, Cheek Color, Tinted Lip Oil, Highlighting Balm, and Brow Pomade. They do have a mascara, but it was out of stock when I made this order. So today I have nothing on my eyelashes. We're just gonna go bare, which is actually something that I like to do. I curled my eyelashes this morning. On days when I'm gonna be wearing makeup, I like to exfoliate. This guy right here, the Yerba Mate Resurfacing Energy Facial. It's 3 minutes, it's easy, it's good for sensitive skin, yet a nice, fresh, clean, crust-free canvas to work on. Before I apply my makeup, I always use sunscreen, rain or shine. The sun is always out. To play, currently I'm using the Supergoop Zinc Sunscreen SPF 40. After sunscreen, I like to use the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. The ultimate glow. This stuff is amazing. It smells like watermelon. It makes your skin look so juicy. I use it during the day and I really notice like a nice brightening effect. I feel like it just naturally makes your skin look highlighted. So even if I skipped highlighter today, I feel like my skin would still look really glowy and really dewy. Makes a great primer. Tap it on your cheekbones, the natural highlight. You can mix it with your foundation, use it as a serum. There's so many different ways to use this product, so I'm a big fan. Now we're all set to apply the makeup. First up is the Perfecting Complexion Stick in the shade Sand. I have olive skin, and if you have olive skin, you know the struggle. It is so difficult to match your skin to makeup. This was such a good match, you guys, and I matched this on the internet. The complexion stick is actually meant to be used with a brush. I don't own any makeup brushes. I have a beauty blender, and that is what I use today. Beauty blender works pretty well with like everything. It works well with foundation, concealer, blush, highlighter. It just blends everything. On days when I want minimal makeup, just want to touch up the spots, I'll just go under the eyes, around the nose, and maybe around my mouth a little bit. Today I actually put it everywhere, and that's kind of what I would do if I'm filming, if I'm shooting for Instagram. Day to day, it's just under the eyes, around the nose, and we're done. This stick is like a magical foundation concealer hybrid. It's gentle on acne-prone skin, it's moisturizing, and it actually helps to reduce the look of hyperpigmentation over time. It's not just covering stuff up. Makeup that is actually good for your skin. Makeup that you'll actually want to use every day. just like skincare. If I could make a makeup line like this would be it. Next are the brows. We are using the brow pomade. I love brow pomade. It is the only thing that I like to use in terms of makeup on my eyebrows because it's easy to use. You can't really mess it up, and it really helps to kind of hold your eyebrows in place. And it's a really subtle way to make your natural eyebrows look thicker, look more bold, without looking like you have anything in your eyebrows. Like, does it look like I have anything in my eyebrows right now, guys? Would you know? Maybe you would. I don't know. But it looks pretty natural. And like all the other products, you guessed it, it's actually good for your eyebrows. It's actually promoting healthy eyebrow hairs. Short-term and long-term benefits. That is what I look for in skincare. And this isn't even skincare, it's makeup. Next, I like to do highlighter. This is the highlighting balm, and I love balms because they are the bomb. They're creamy, they're rich, hydrating. This highlighter has no sparkle, no glitter, only dew. I can only do the dew because I can't do glitter and sparkles because I feel like it just makes me look like a little kid, and it just gets on everything. You know, when you bring any kind of sparkly thing into your house, you'll be seeing the remnants of it for like a year, maybe 2 years. So no sparkle. That's good for me. On top of all of that, it's actually good for your skin. It's makeup that behaves like skincare. So it's giving you a real glow. Not a glitter glow, but a real dew. It's doing the dew. And it's doing the dew with plant-based squalene, which is super good for your skin, as well as amino acids, phytosterols, and vitamin E. It makes me so happy. I have both shades of the highlighting balm. I have Kava and I have Bounce. Kava is kind of like a silvery kind of sheen, and Bounce is kind of a pinky sheen, but it's very subtle. And when you look at the balm, you can like tell how juicy it is. It's almost like the hydration is like about to like drip off. I want that juiciness on my face. So today I used Kava on the high points of my face. After highlighter, I like to go in with cheek color. Blush is a balm as well. I'm telling you guys, balms are like the only thing I like to use, especially for blush, because I feel like you can really like get the color exactly where you want it. You could blend this out with your hands or a beauty blender if you have one. It's just so easy to use. You can also build it up if you want something more bold. But I tend to prefer a more natural kind of blush because my cheeks are naturally kind of rosy as it is. I wear my feelings on my face. If I am blushing, you see it. And actually I blushed, and then there was a mirror there, and I was actually able to see where I naturally blush, which was very helpful. So that's kind of where I like to apply my blush. That's where I like to apply my blush, where I blush. This blush is in the shade Mood, and it's kind of like a purpley plum sort of color, and when you look at it, you think it's gonna be like really intense, which it can be if you want to build it up, but it's actually can be so subtle. It gives me that I just went for a run kind of look without actually having to run, because I don't run unless someone's chasing me or I'm chasing someone. And finally, we have the lips. I always finish with the lips, like the finishing touch. This is the tinted lip oil. It plays really nicely with lip liner, so if you're a lip liner girl, this looks really nice with that. If you're an easy breezy kind of girl, this also looks really good on its own, which is what I did today. What this lip oil does is something that I actually tried to achieve by layering my lipsticks with a lip gloss. The downside of lip gloss is that when you go out into the world, especially if you live in a windy place like Toronto, your hairs blow into your face and they stick to your lip gloss. There's no sticking with a lip oil. This is a beautiful blend of a lip tint and a lip oil. I've had this on for a while now, guys, and it still feels juicy. It still feels good. And like all the other products that we've talked about today, the lip oil is also good for your lips. It contains jojoba oil, rosehip oil, rapeseed oil, essential fatty acids that are great for promoting the health of your lip skin. That sounds so gross. And on top of being moisturizing, it doesn't bleed. It actually has ingredients that are meant to keep the product in place on your lip skin. I have 2 shades of the lip tinted oil, Au Naturel and Marquee. Au Naturel is more like warm tone, and Marquee is a little bit more peachy. Today I decided I wanted to match my turtleneck sweater thing that I'm wearing, my sleeveless turtleneck. What is it trying to do? What's it trying to be? Are you a winter garment or are you a summer garment? Nobody knows. And my friends, we're done. This is the makeup I do when I want something that feels like no makeup, but also makes you feel fresh, put together and pretty and glowy and juicy. It's makeup without the fuss. It's such a simple routine that I'm pretty sure I could do it with my eyes closed, with one hand tied around my back. Last week when I was doing my makeup, I was holding my son in one arm and I was doing my makeup with the other. So that is definitely a thing that happens. Sometimes you only have one arm to do your makeup, and this makeup can be done with one arm. I did my eyebrow pomade while holding my son, which was reaching for the pomade, and I didn't mess it up. That is saying something. It's like this makeup was made for me. So thank you, Merit Beauty, for sending me these products. Actually something that I've been using pretty regularly because it's easy and it makes me feel pretty and juicy. I will leave a link in the description for those of you that are interested in checking out Merit Beauty. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.